You need to factory reset your Blu C9. It looks like this, two big camera circles in the back, blue, a little bit of a cool design. Let's get into it. All right, to factory reset your Blu C9, we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Press volume up first, power at the same time. Hold until you see the blue logo and let go immediately. It will bring up the Android recovery menu. Just one more second, 2 more seconds. There we go, Android recovery menu. Now with volume keys, scroll down to wipe data, factory reset. Remember, this will erase everything, all photos, all contacts, all old messages, all apps. All right, so we're going to press power for OK. And one more time, this is going to wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Let's scroll down once with volume for factory data reset. Press power for OK. And we'll look down here for the data wipe to be complete. Just a few more seconds, depending on how much you've used your phone. Data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. And if you need a worksheet to help you always remember your PIN, pattern, or password, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.